Get on your boots, put it on, look, Blanco.
We see a two-step, then 1, 2 step. Do the cowgirl boogie, put your hands like this. Take it to the floor with a whole lot of drip. Now show up your moves in your new outfit. Get low, get low, get low, then wind it up slow. Groove to the sound of the banjo. Ling-a-ling-a-ling, give a little more. My knee bone connected to my thigh bone. My thigh bone connected to my hip bone. My hands in my waist now, I twist on and up from left to right. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. We can giddy up all night long. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. We can giddy up all night long.
Gonna do the two-step and cowboy booty. Grab a sweetheart and spin out with him. Do the hold down and get into it. Take it to the left now and dip with it to the right now. Take a sip with it now. Lean back, put your hips in it. It's simple, you can do it. Slide to the left, slide to the right. Now cool down, have a good time. Slide to the left, slide to the right. Do the butterfly, have a good time around.